Kia ora, ko Hone Pōtiki Hāne tōku ingoa, no te tai tōkerawa hau, ko Ngāpuhi te iwi, Ngā Tikahu te hapu, and I live in Grey Lynn, and every day I come to work at the Welcome Eatery and feed the masses. My job here is to be a host. It basically means that from the second somebody walks in the door, they're in my care. And I got to make sure they don't slip on the way down the stairs. I basically want somebody to feel like this is their place too. That's the reason we called it Welcome. Even down to putting different tables in this place, we've tried to make a little spot for everybody. You can come here by yourself and sit down and do some work for a couple of hours with a few coffees and write an essay, or whether you're having a meeting or you know, just catching up with friends. You know, we really wanted people to feel like this is their place too. Ralph and I were both working in Australia together. We'd gone over there and see what the hospitality industry was like over there. He got a call about this space. In about a week, we packed up everything and came back here, started work immediately. My upbringing in the Māori culture, being from a total immersion schooling background, a lot of that was based around food. You know, fundraising hangis and, you know, hakari and, you know, marae life and stuff. So the act of sharing a meal is something I feel was ingrained in me really young. We have a really awesome staff in the kitchen. We have a chef named Mark McAllister. He is of Irish descent. We get along great, him being Irish and me being Māori, I think, for some reason. He's not really just your typical short order, you know, poached eggs sort of shorter chef. He makes beautiful homemade pasta. He bakes his own bread from old recipes. He employed a chef that he's worked with. You know, she has a huge background of beautiful sweet things that she's watched her mother and her grandmother make for, you know, her whole entire life. When somebody enjoys what we give them, I feel like that's kind of what makes life worthwhile, really. My name is Johnny Pōtiki Hartnett. I'm from Ngāpuhi, Ngā Tikahu. I love what I do, and if you know what you want to do, all you got to do is work hard at it.